Let's go.
Hello, everybody. My college, this presentation topic, creation of the manufacturing textile company in barcaza, moving from Girardot to Barranquilla. Members, Michael Rodriguez, Jose Berrillo, my person, Justin Rivera. Introduction, TechScore is a textile company is constant movement that is dedicated to the production of high-quality Guayabera, with a history that extends along the Magdalena River from Girardot to Barranquilla. TechScore has managed to consolidate itself as one of the leading garment manufacturing companies in Colombia, with efficient production process, highly trained teams that score producing an average of Guayabera per batch daily, with a law is satisfy the demand of the national and international market. In addition, the company is concerned with using high quality material and innovative techniques to ensure that each garment has an impeccable finish and exceptional durability. Consideration from the construction of an industrial textile ship. It's important to install a steel floor, aluminum walls, axial stratum widely used in boats. Consideration for the construction of an industrial textile ship. To begin with, we must consider that it's a ship in motion, so we must have the machine glued to the floor. So we will need to have a steel floor at least in the area where the machines are distributed, so as we can glue the and keep the fuel in one place for the safe of the workers. In the case of the walls, we will use aluminum because it's light and resistant to corrosion. To maintain an optimum temperature, we will use air conditioning in each area and, if necessary, exhaust fans. But due to the nature of the machine, the screw above is not so necessary.
Okay, I will now talk about analysis of the current plant layout. For the analysis of plant distribution of plant to identify problem in efficiency, different models distributed in area were made, looking for the best efficient alternative with respect to our variable, which is production time. The microlocation of plant waste may taking into account the priority of proximity or distance between each area. In the first simulation, it did not give the expected result. Let out wide production wide even improvements. No la anterior. La anterior. Anterior. Another simulation was carried out where zone 4 was charged to seen in the record town zone 2 is very close to zone 1 and zone 3 was charged to zone 600 next. Okay. A new distribution which we can see and is the one they gave us the best result, being the one we are going to use for the microlocation of machine and skew other process for the plant distribution. Once the optimal distribution was obtained, the plan was made according to the distribution. Next. Next. Okay. For the plan, we took a birch on 120-meter long and 20-meter wide, of which on the under meter long and 50-meter wide will be used for the distribution of the plant. Distribution in 6 areas. Permíteme compartir yo.
Ya voy a compartir.
Okay. First area is raw material storage areas. Only one machine is required for this area, but space is needed because a certain amount of raw material and wasted will be moved. So a large areas of space is required. It is 9.188 wide and 14 long. This machine is called cleaning machine and it is dedicated to clean the cut from impurity. Second areas. Raw material reception area. In this area there are two machines, which area fiber machine and yard machine. Fiber machine. After the raw material is cleaned, it is transported to fiber machine where this machine is to clean, open and link the fiber before spinning. Its main function is to converting the fiber into uniform and loose layer known as robins. Jar machine once the cotton has been converted into fiber. It is passed to this machine to convert whole toast or robin into jars. 3 area. Cutting area. In this area there are two machines, which are fabric machine and cutting machine. Fabric machine. This machine receives the yarn and turns them into fabric and can make about 2 square meter wide 1 kilo of fabric. Cutting machine once the meter of fabric are cut. The fabric is cut every 2 meters to make the Guayaberas. 4 area. 7 area. In this area, there are 27 machines. Uses be 40 people will take tour every 8 hours. Tests are personal trained is sewing will receive the sheet of fabric brought from the cutting machine and join the together and make it the tails for the creation of the Guayabera. 5 area. Packing and storage area for distribution. The finished Guayabera area received from the sewing area and area prepared and stored for later delivery of the order. 6 area. Administrative area. This area is divided into small office where the manager, secretary, production department, among others, can be found. I saw of the area there is more than one machine, which different purpose, achieving a compound distribution and which hold the necessary requirement. Thank you.
Okay. In the field simulation, we organize the machine in such a way that the will remain as the college explaining the first tech layout planning system. These were the data that we put in each machine to make a Guayaberas, for example. The cleaning van takes 30 minutes to clean the coat in the next machine, which in the fiber machine. It, take, uh, it takes 20, 50 the make the counter fiber, and so on which the other machine. Next. No, back, atrás. Yes, yes. In the second simulation, we organize the machine in the such a way that the would remain and the college, explained in the second layout planning system. Next. And these were the dates that we put in to make an Guayabera shirt and it worked like the previous implantation. Next. Okay. In the period of 2 days of 8 hours in the morning and afternoon, and the 16 hours of for the total work of 40 works, 20 in the morning shift and 20 for the afternoon shift, which a total that completes the back of 120 guayaberas in average. Next, I am going to show you the simulation of the optimal distribution area. Dame compartir yo, tío. Thank you. One moment.
Pose de imagine see, don't see. Pose comparte la imagen de los datos que no se vieron.
One moment. One moment.
Muestra los datos. Vuelve
Ya
a
va.
compartirlos. Sí, vuelve a compartir que no se vieron la tabla.
Thank you.
I the finished conclusion, the analysis of the current design of the plant was aiming at identifying efficiency problems and improving production times. Several simulations were carried out to determine the optimal distribution of plants within the given space. The final simulation yielded the best result. Considering both the increase in production and the micro-location of the area's contribution allowed to increase productivity and comfort when going from one area to another. Thank you, everyone. Finish.
Thank you, thank you, teacher.